Hello everyone, today I am going to share our video related to human action. So today in this video we have to learn human action, human nature, action, human activity. In this video we have to learn. Okay, so are you ready for learn? Hopefully you are ready for learn. So in this video we have to watch. The first thing is he is farting. He is farting. You look like you can look. He is farting. The second thing is he is gargling. He is gargling. First is he is farting, and then he is gargling, and the third one is he is vomiting, and vomiting is very much common word and most people know about that. Okay, so first is we have to learn again, we have to speak again. He is farting, he is gardening. You can watch here a picture too. Okay, so here we in this video we have to learn by images. First is he is farting, second is he is gargling, and third one is vomiting. This is too much simple and very popular word, vomiting. And the fourth word is he is arranging. He is arranging. You can see in a picture, but I did not get what he is doing. Actually I did not get. So you can check and you can get any according to you, according to ourselves. And the fifth one is he is defecating. He is defecating. You can watch a picture too. He is burping. He is burping like someone eating something, and after eating, when foods are digest, so at the time we feel burping. Okay, so we have learned some word. He is farting, he is gargling, he is vomiting, he is urinating, he is defecating, he is burping. So take care, bye bye, god bless you all, thank you for watching, take care, bye bye.